Hi DIYers, this is Michael from Alarm Grid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your August Smart Lock Pro with Apple HomeKit. We have our August Smart Lock Pro right here. This is the 3rd gen model. Most of the work that we're going to be doing today is in the August Home app. That's what you use for controlling the lock and for setting it up, and that includes setting it up with Apple HomeKit. This lock can communicate in a few different ways, but having HomeKit connectivity is one of its biggest selling points. A lot of HomeKit users really appreciate this lock for its ability to interface with the platform, and they can include it with HomeKit Smart Scenes and control it from the Home app. They really like the feature. If you have a Honeywell Lyric alarm system, then you might be using HomeKit with that, and you can get this lock included with that as well. So that's great. And like I said, we're going to be doing most of our work in the August app. One thing I do want to point out, this lock, when it's communicating with Apple HomeKit, it does so across Bluetooth connectivity. So you have to have the lock within Bluetooth range of the dedicated HomeKit hub. Your HomeKit hub can be something like an iPad, it can be an Apple TV Gen 4 or higher, or it can be an Apple HomePod. But if you are a serious HomeKit user, you likely have a dedicated HomeKit hub set up already. Just know that this lock will need to be within Bluetooth range of that hub. Even if you have an August Connect, a Wi-Fi bridge for the lock set up, the lock can't communicate with HomeKit across Wi-Fi, which is kind of unfortunate, but that's just how it is. So you have to have it within Bluetooth range. So Bluetooth is what we're working with today, so that's key. So make sure you have your lock set up. You've done everything in the August app. We already have ours set up. We're just going to be going right into the app and showing you the very end of the setup process where you're connecting with HomeKit. After you've already gone through the initial setup of the lock, got everything going. Of course, we don't have ours installed on our door, but that's fine for testing purposes. I'm going to open up the August app now, and we're going to go do this. So we have our iPad here, which this can also be our dedicated HomeKit hub, so that's nice. And we're going to open up the August app, and you see we have our keychain here, and it looks like we have Dylan's house. Seems Dylan got into our iPad again and changed the settings, but that's fine for our testing purposes. We're going to click on Dylan's house. And we have our lock, and it's named Front Door. And you see it's communicating with the lock a little bit here. But what we're going to do now, we're not going to go and unlock the lock or anything. We're just going to choose this gear icon in the bottom right corner. And it's loading the settings. And we're going to choose the lock settings under Front Door. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit in lock settings to HomeKit. And then it allows us to enable HomeKit, which is what we're going to do. We'll press the blue button here. And then we're setting up the front door, that's the name of the lock, within HomeKit with the home, My Home, which is our HomeKit base there. And we're going to continue. And now what we need to do is we need to scan the code on the lock. So I'm going to show you that on the lock real quick. We have our August Smart Lock Pro right here. To open it up, we just press on the August logo right there, and we can just pop it off like that. So what we need to scan is this right here. So we're going to go and do that. I'm just going to set it down, and we're going to I removed the faceplate. We got to press the button first. And then it's going to load some settings here. It's just connecting the front door to HomeKit. We're going to scan it in a moment here once it's ready. We'll be ready for that. Okay, now we have the camera pulled up and we can go and scan it. So we're going to get that. There we go. And it's connecting to accessory. This may take a few minutes, so we're going to go and wait that out right now. Okay, and it says, congratulations, your smart lock has been added to HomeKit. So we're going to choose Finish. And now we're going to pull up the Home app, the HomeKit. And you do see the little notification at the top of the screen that the lock has been added. That's what you want to see. So we're going to go, and we're going to go into HomeKit now. So we're going to press the home button on our iPad here, and we're going to press the HomeKit app. And you see we have our default room August smart lock, and it's locked right now. Let's put the cover back on here. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what happens when we press the button. Right now it's listed as unlocked, and let's see if we click on it. Then you see it sends a signal. It does show no response right now. Like I said, we don't have ours installed on a door or anything, so we just get the no response. But if I click on it, you do hear it does send the signal to the lock. So we have it in HomeKit right now, and we can include it with all our HomeKit Smart Scenes and get all the HomeKit functionality out of the lock, all of the great features out of this August Smart Lock Pro. So that is how you include your August Smart Lock Pro with your Apple HomeKit network. If you have any questions about Apple HomeKit or the August Smart Lock Pro, or you want to learn more about alarm monitoring services, send an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.